Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a device that promises to streamline your shipping and labeling process. The Thermal Shipping Label Printer 4PB9rrter USB Label Maker. This compact powerhouse, measuring a neat 180 by 115 by 107 millimeters, is designed to fit comfortably on any desk without demanding too much space, making it an ideal solution for home businesses, small offices, or even larger operations looking for an efficient, dedicated label printer. One of the standout features of this 4PB9rrter model is its impressive versatility in handling label sizes. It's capable of printing labels ranging from a slim 20 millimeters all the way up to a generous 110 millimeters, effectively covering the popular 4-inch large sizes. This means whether users are printing small product barcodes, address labels, or full-sized shipping labels for various carriers, this machine has them covered. Users will appreciate not needing multiple printers for different label dimensions, simplifying their workflow significantly. Ease of operation is clearly a priority in the design of this label maker. The drop-in paper mechanism is a game changer, eliminating the fiddly and often frustrating process of loading rolls. Simply drop the paper in, and the device is ready to go. This intuitive design saves valuable time, especially during busy periods. Complementing this is the Smart Suction Paper feature, which ensures that paper is fed conveniently and quickly, minimizing misfeeds and maximizing printing speed. It's these thoughtful touches that truly enhance the user experience, making the labeling process smooth and hassle-free. Furthermore, the 4PB9rrter isn't just limited to one type of label. It boasts broad compatibility with various paper types, including standard sticker paper, dedicated label paper, folding paper, and even suspension paper. This wide range of supported media opens up a world of possibilities beyond just shipping, allowing businesses to print custom labels for organization, branding, or inventory management with the same reliable device. The ability to support printing label paper with such ease, regardless of its specific type, underscores its adaptability and value. In essence, this Thermal Shipping Label Printer 4PB9rrter USB Label Maker appears to be a robust and user-friendly solution for anyone in need of efficient and versatile label printing. Its compact footprint, wide label size compatibility, effortless paper loading, and smart feeding technology all contribute to a device that aims to make the often tedious task of labeling a remarkably straightforward and fast process. It's a tool designed to boost productivity and deliver professional-looking labels consistently.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.